Very important update for Ethereum here, guys. You can see on the lower time frame chart, this is the daily chart, and you can see that this bull flag for Ethereum has now broken to the upside. Of course, we're going to talk about my target out of this, a little bit of a follow-on video from the video I made just yesterday where I talked about selling $250,000 worth of Bitcoin to buy Ethereum, and that's exactly what I did. So without any further delay, we're going to go into the different charts here to see exactly what's going on, including the Ethereum weekly chart, the Ethereum daily chart. We're even going to see what Bitcoin's doing right now, because of course that's important to see where the Ethereum price is at. So without delay, guys, please do go up, subscribe, hit the bell. We're on the way to 50,000. Join the family, and of course smash that like button as well. Kicking things off quickly with Bitcoin, and then we'll go into Ethereum. As I said, perspective is very important. Bitcoin has been on a rampage. This is the weekly Bitcoin chart, and the next target in the Bitcoin chart does take us up to about $47,000. Crazy to think, because just a couple of months ago, back in where were we? Back in sort of September, we were down at 25,000. So we're up percentage-wise, something like, is it 70% or so? Yeah, I mean 70% gains. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And that's for Bitcoin, not on altcoin. Things are moving very rapidly, and we've also broken out of this upward channel, which tends to be bearish. This is bullish. And the other thing I want to show you for Bitcoin, and I'm aware Ethereum video, but do understand the importance of Bitcoin, where it's at in the cycle, because I'm getting to the point why I purchased $250,000 worth of Ethereum the other day from selling it in Bitcoin. But you'll see why in a moment. Although Bitcoin is rallying, Bitcoin is doing very, very well indeed. You can see that if we bring in a fib level from the swing high to the swing low, Bitcoin is approaching its golden pocket. The golden pocket is between 48,500, 50,000, but we do have a weekly resistance level at 47,000. Just to show you perspective, if you do the same from the high in Ethereum, Fibonacci retracement from the high to the bottom, the golden pocket is at $3,350. So percentage terms, Ethereum still has about 47% to go to its golden ratio. Bitcoin, on the other hand, percentage to its golden ratio, it's about 12% away. So this is my trade. This is why I'm more bullish in Ethereum than I am Bitcoin. Furthermore, this is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So this is Ethereum priced in Bitcoin. What we can see here is the Ethereum price has been falling against Bitcoin considerably. It's now at another major support level, the 0.5 fib. So if it holds at that level, fantastic. If not, it'll come down to the golden pocket. It might lose another 17% against Bitcoin. At this stage of the cycle, it's a risk I'm willing to take, because I know ultimately going into bull market territory, Ethereum will outperform, like it's done against Bitcoin in this bull market and in this bull market. That's just what happens. That's what it does. And on the short term for Bitcoin, guys, looking very, very bullish. We still have a price target here. Price range, you can do a measured move, 43%, which we're now in play, and Bitcoin targeted here at 55,000. If you want to be a little bit more conservative, why not for Bitcoin? And again, we're going to go into Ethereum next, which is the most important part of the video. You could do a measured move from this range, and it gives you a Bitcoin price target of approximately 44,000, which we've hit. So it could mean a pullback in the Bitcoin price, and if we get a pullback in the Bitcoin price, well, that could be good for Ethereum. So let's talk about Ethereum. Weekly chart, first of all. What I want to draw your attention to is this bullish triangle that we've broken out of. We've broken out of this bullish triangle, and not only that, the other important level that we've now crossed, and it's clear that we've crossed it. On the daily, I mean, look at this. We've tested it as support. That's exactly what you want to see. We've broken out, and now Ethereum is in free fall, in reverse, free rocket, whatever you want to call it, into this massive gap of no real traded volume. This is why, with you right now, and before I get on with the rest of the video, my predictions and targets, we're going to open a trade together. We're going over to 𝗙𝗥𝗃 here. And by the way, guys, if you're looking for a brand new iPhone 15 this Christmas, well, 𝗙𝗥𝗃 are giving away one. So they're actually giving away 10 iPhone 15 Pros. All you need to do is sign up for 𝗙𝗥𝗃 down below. The link is in the video description down below, iPhone 15 this week. And to win that, all you need to do is sign up with an email. It takes 20 seconds. You can sign up from anywhere in the world, by the way. UK, Canada, US, no KYC. Futures trading crypto, stocks, derivatives up to 150x. You can trade all your meme coins, altcoins on there as well. And using that link, you'll just sign up, deposit at least $100, make a trade, and you will win or be in the chance to win an iPhone 15. But they are giving away 10. So maybe 500 people enter. You still have a decent chance of winning. Plus, you'll get 50% off your fees with that link. Now, what I want to show you here is the fib level for Ethereum from this point here, because we did it from the market top before because we were comparing to Bitcoin. But what I want to show you in the Ethereum weekly chart here is we've just crossed a crucial level of resistance, which is $2,250. The next target for me for Ethereum actually takes us up to between $2,500 and $2,655. So this is why with you now, I've gone on to 𝗙𝗥𝗃, and basically what I've done here, I've gone on to their standard futures. The reason I'm doing that is I'm going to be using actually coin margin. So coin margin means I'm trading with Ethereum. That's better because if Ethereum goes up and I win the trade, it's even more profitable. So I've got some Ethereum here, 0.17, but I am going to be using 20x leverage. So that means I'm going to be using about 3.6 Ethereum, but I'm only using 0.17 Ethereum of my own money. So what we're going to do here is market. I'm happy at the current price to enter. I'm going to deploy pretty much all of it on this trade. I'm going to go long. And now we have a long trade open on Ethereum. But let's talk about what the take profit level should be and what the invalidation level should be for this. Bear in mind, my liquidation price is $2,188. So it's a low time frame trade. So obviously my stop loss needs to be above that level. So we're going to go in to the lower time frame here. Now, what I want to do is bring in the moving averages. Very, very important. And we can see the 20-day moving average is up at 20,000. But this is the daily chart. This is a low time frame trade. So we're going to go right down into the 4-hour here. And I'm going to be basically placing my stop loss under the 20-day moving average, which is this yellow line. So you can see $2,184, okay, $2,188. So by the time the moving average has got to that point, we're going to be clear and we're not going to have any problem there, because the moving average, guys, is, as you know, moving up with the price. So you can see it's going up and up and up. So we're basically going to set our stop loss $2,196 to be on the safe side. This is a low time frame trade, and I'm going to show you my take profit as well. So we're going to do stop loss here. Let's do this together. We're going to do 2,100. Do 2,100 and probably $99 to be on the safe side. And our take profit here is going to be the following. So going back into our triangular pattern, we're basically going to use the width of this triangle, not the whole bull flag, just the width of the triangle. And we're going to be conservative from the breakout. And we're going to target up at $2,403. Now, what that means in terms of risk to reward, what we currently have is a win of 5.7% and a potential loss of just 3.85%. So it's a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. More reward, less risk. So take profit is going to be 2,407. And of course, guys, this doesn't mean this will happen, but it's a good risk to reward ratio. We're winning 102% against potentially losing 77%. So we're going to press confirm, and these are my levels locked in. Currently we're $10 down, no problem. Like I said, links are below for Bing X and also Bybit. It's a great crypto trading platform as well. You do have to KYC on Bybit, but you get up to $30,000 bonus and 0 fees for 30 days. So beyond that, it's important that we look here at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. This is why I sold a whole lot of Bitcoin. I'm expecting a bounce. Okay, it might eventually come down lower, but I'm expecting a bounce off the 0.5 fib level. So I'm expecting that to break out and be very, very bullish. The crypto market, it's bouncing again. It's very, very bullish indeed. I mean, on CNBC, Bitcoin's back on in the main news. Also, guys, do follow me on Twitter at @MarsAlCrypto. When I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm posting there. So I post TA and all kinds of just crypto news. Feel free to check out any one of these videos on screen before we go. And yeah, I'll see you on another video soon, guys. Happy bull market.